नमस्ते, मेरा नाम दाफनी है। मैं अमेरिका से हूँ। मैं जयपुर में ऋषि और मुकेश के साथ intensive Hindi program कर रही हूँ. I started learning Hindi on my own about 2 years ago. I was doing a lot of self-teaching through books and online through more passive materials. And I decided that I wanted to take some classes online. So I did some classes online with Mukesh, and I found that he was a fabulous teacher. And when I really enjoyed the classes that I did with him online. But as I got further along, I realized that my speaking abilities are really lacking, and I hit a wall where I'm just anxious and I'm nervous about speaking. So I contacted Mukesh about coming to India to do their intensive Hindi program. And I decided that I needed that extra push. So here I am. I came to India and they have been fabulous. They arranged everything for me. I asked them to please arrange the homestay for me, and I'm really glad that I did. I'm here and we've been working on my speaking with this intensive Hindi course. So I really can't tell you, like, if you're interested in doing this, if you're learning Hindi, I can't say enough good things about it, that you should, if you're interested in coming to India, you should definitely do it. I'm so happy that I did. I'm now way less nervous about my speaking than I was before. I've made massive improvements, and so I would highly recommend, if you're thinking about it, you should definitely do it. Rishi and Mukesh are fabulous teachers. They're extremely patient with me, even when I make the same mistakes over and over again, which I do. And they can speak to you very slowly, very clearly. Their accent is very good, both of them. And so they can speak to you on your level. So even if you feel like you struggle to understand people, they can help you with that. The way that they speak is very helpful. The intensive Hindi course has been, I would say, pretty intensive. We've covered a lot of topics in a very short period of time. And it's different than taking classes online, because when you do it online, it's very broke up into different sessions. When you come do the intensive Hindi course, it's in a bigger block of time. So we can cover a lot more. There's less review, and we get a lot of chance to practice and keep the flow going in the Hindi speaking. We've gone out. They encourage you to go out into the real world. That's very important. You have to do that. If you come here, you have to do that. They encourage me every day to make sure I go out, talk to people, talk to shopkeepers, go shopping, talk to my taxi drivers, talk to people when I go to the tourist sites. And I was nervous about it at first, but after I started doing it, I started having so much fun that I can't even say. Like, it's been so much fun. The homestay is fabulous. The rooms are clean and beautiful, and the facilities are very suitable for Westerners, which is something that I struggle with sometimes. It's like definitely the nicest place that I've stayed in India. The family that's there will make sure that you have everything that you need. They'll go above and beyond to make sure that you are happy and comfortable and you have everything. Food is amazing. And there'll always be people around there, because it's a family that's running the homestay. There'll always be people around that you can practice your Hindi with. And I really enjoy talking to the people that I ran into. So if you are thinking about that you might want to improve your Hindi, if you're learning Hindi, thinking about learning Hindi, want to work on your Hindi, improve your Hindi, this is a great way, coming to India, doing the intensive Hindi course, to really do that. And I think you'll see that you improve a lot. And I've definitely made